Works with Alexa for voice control. Broadest smart home platform support, compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, IFTTT, SmartThings, Nest, Wink. Wi-Fi-enabled wall plug lets you control small appliances using 1800 watts or under, great for controlling lights, window air conditioners, fans, portable heaters, coffee makers, home audio systems and more. Global remote access. 24/7 control and notifications with iHome's highly secure and encrypted data and privacy protection. Slim design fits into any standard 120 VAC outlet, leaving second outlet free, or plug in 2 smart plugs. HomeKit compatibility. Controlling this HomeKit-enabled accessory requires an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch with iOS 9.0 or later. Control your smart plug away from home. Controlling this HomeKit-enabled accessory away from home requires an Apple TV, 3rd generation or later, with Apple TV software 7.0 or later and an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch with iOS 9.0 or later. Total power outlets. 1. Top reviews from the United States. Great smart apartment product, simple to use. This was the first part of my smart home system. A smart plug can be used for many applications and I use it to control some security cameras and a bar sign. I have it turn my cameras and bar lights on and off when I leave my apartment and when I return home. Very simple and easy to use. I like the iHome product because it works with Apple and does not block the other outlet when plugging in this smart light. Very useful when setting up a smart apartment because they can help to make non-smart appliances smart like my bar signs. Helps to save energy and if I am gone for a long time I can still control them on the go. I use these smart plugs with Apple HomeKit and rarely if ever use the iHome app. The iHome app is used to initially set up your smart plugs but all of my automation is done within Apple HomeKit. The iHome app is a bit busy but not the worst to figure out. Overall great product and I will purchase more in the future.